Alright, welcome to jobskillshare.com. This video is going to be a lecture video for students who are going to school to take some IT courses, who are taking IT courses, or someone who is trying to change their careers and they want to join IT but they don't know where to start. What kind of work will you be doing? What kind of people you will be dealing with? So this video is all about that. This is going to be a basic video for anyone who is who is in that position right now. So you came to YouTube and you type how to start IT career, and this video popped in. This is exactly what I'm doing today. So just a history. In 2012 I started a course, Help Desk Support Specialist Training and Guide, and today we have more than 3,000 students. This is the reason I'm making this video, because I see so many students asking me question: how do we start IT, where to go from one field to another field, I'm changing my career. So the course is basically about that. I'm teaching a full course right here, how to start IT basically. So let's say this video right here, I have a diagram from Microsoft, and in this video we are here, start here. It's the beginning of IT. Like, you are going to school right now and you're in this spot where you don't know anything about IT, because there's so many other fields, so many learning paths, so many different paths in there. Where are you interested in? And that's what I'm going to clear out today. So I'm going to give you an example here. If you are a person who like to work with computers, and you're okay talking to users, helping them out, solving their problems. For example, let's say somebody's working on email and email is not working, and then you want to be that person to solve these kind of issues, or you want to fix something, something is broken in the computer or anything like that, then you are considering to become an IT professional. That means IT professional could be a customer support, which is exactly where you want to be then. So if I click here, then you can see work as a customer support technician, enterprise admin, server admin, system admin, database admin, and I'm going to go through each of these but I want to first talk about other fields right here. So let's say you're a person who is more into programming, you're going to take a developer field right here. So then you can go to database access and web services and all this stuff. This is what developers do. There could be a web developer. You could become a web developer designing and creating codes for websites, or you could be a Windows developer. Let's go back to that. You could be a Windows developer. You could be a Windows developer designing codes for programs, Windows programs, or creating or fixing a program that already been designed by somebody, and then you're just doing coding. So that's for like developers who are specifically working as a programmers. So there's a company, let's say my company jobskillshare.com, and there will be a department that will have few developers, 5 or 6, or depending on how big the company is and what kind of programs they're using. You will have these people. They will have their own section, their own managers and directors and all that. So you will have this whole section. So do you want to go here? Then you're going to have to take programming languages and get to that point. Since I'm not a developer, I can't really talk too much about them, because that was just to kind of give you a idea. If you're in this spot right here, you might want to go and check out this section. Okay, let's say you want to go to IT professional, which is my side, IT infrastructure area. That is IT professionals who work on computers as a technicians. So now when I say computer work as a customer support technician, this could have so many titles. I can tell you right now: help desk support, desktop support, help desk analyst, desktop support 1, 2, 3, and all these levels in there. Customer support specialist, computer support specialist, all these can fit in this title. And this is where we're gonna go in detail after this, when we're done with this whole little video right here. enterprise administrator, server admin, they all can be fit in system engineer job who are more towards servers. So let's say you go to a company and then you have a networking team, and in networking team you have few people who are working on servers, and then you will have few people who are working on networking Cisco devices, which is another field of IT. So that's why we have these little different fields for each department. So let's say you want to be a person and then you have database area where you have database administrators. You will have a department will have like 2-3 database administrators, database developers, and all that. You'll have server administrators, depending on what kind of titles they're using, it doesn't matter, server engineer, server administrator, junior server administrator, all that you will have it here. And like I said, in servers and in support tech, you will have all these help desk, computer support specialist, all these titles in this area. Then you have another field in IT too, which is business analyst area, which is more of not too much technical stuff. It's more of like a lot of business side of IT. But let's start from IT professional today. Now you're telling me that, Danny, you're talking about IT professional here and all these names and everything. We know that. Now where can I get information? How can I start it? I know the basics of computers. I know all this stuff. Now tell me, where can I take the course and how to start it and get the skill, or try out some things, or get into this and learn the real job skills. And this is what I'm going to do today. Is I'm going to start from my site right here. So just like I have a course which is right here, 3,000 students for help desk support specialist, exactly the same thing that I'm talking about. If you go to jobskillshare.com, and we're gonna go to it right now. If you go to jobskillshare.com, you will see all the courses here. Now if you are joining in for the first time and you're thinking that where to start it, all you have to do is register and then click on login. Once you're logged in to the system, then you can take this course. Now I'm going to go ahead and log in. So when you register and log in, you can just come down here and click on help desk support entry level 2 specialist. When you click on this course, you will see some basic information, and even here I kind of clear that out, that this course will cover desktop support 1-3, help desk analyst 1-3, customer computer support specialist 1-3, IT support specialist 1-3, and all that can fit into this category, because customer support, you can fit in anything into that category. So then when you click on the learning path here and click on the title, this course will start from the introduction. Introduction means what is IT, like what is the help desk, like what can you get to it and all that. This is for anyone who is new to IT. This is a start right here. You want to start from this, right, the first section, and by the time you go all the way down and finish this right here to this interview questions, that's where I'm not saying that you're going to become a specialist just by watching this course or going through it, but I'm telling you, I guarantee you, if you're new to IT and you go to this course, you will be in a position where you can apply for jobs. That's my promise to people, if you finish everything. So going back to the diagram, if you finish that course, you cover this area right here, work as a customer support technician. That area will be covered. You can apply for support tech job after that course, because you will have the skills. These are real-time skills that I'm teaching here, with videos, with real-time solutions, real-time troubleshooting, everything that we do at work, everything that we deal on the work, everything that we have to learn for this work is everything in this course right here. Just to show you an example, that one of the things that I want to show is that it's not just learning about troubleshooting and everything, it's about other things too. Like for example, I'm adding everything, even a physical side of these that needs for this job. If you click on the physical side of day-to-day job, you will see a video that I have and basically everything that we do physically. So I'm going to show you everything that needs to be done on this course. So I'm just going to go quickly. You guys can take the course and find out exactly. So basically I'm talking about like what we do at work at the same time while I'm teaching troubleshootings and other things. And that's a little bit that's a change of what I'm trying to present here. That what I'm teaching here is not just course, not just what is computers. I'm teaching what is around us too. It's not just learning or troubleshooting things. It's about other things too. That has, even I would say 40 to 60%. It's the other things, not even IT related stuff that makes it the full complete job then. So that's where it's going to be. And now when I say it's not only this was just an example. What I'm going to cover in my site right here, jobskillshare.com, I'm going to cover these area too. The server administrators, and that course will be also the same way. It's going to be a skill sharing course. From start to this area, and then I can tell you guys that if you're here, I already covered this area. Go to this area, and then you become the support tech just by going to that course. So this area is covered by jobskillshare.com right now. I'm working on, if you're into servers, or if you are in this area support tech and you want to advance your skills, then that will be also covered in that jobskillshare.com. I have other courses too that mean you can be a manager, because now this is not showing that, but if you go to IT professional, you want to be a manager, you go to this, and now you want to be a manager in IT, or you go to administration and you want to be an IT manager. We have another course. If you guys go back to the main site, we have another course that is Introduction to IT Supervising. That is also a great course. So this was just an example how to start IT career. And once you go to these links, and you will find out way more than just help desk. This is going to cover everything. My goal is to cover everything if I can. Maybe I will be making friends. I will be asking other people in universities to help me out to finish all these areas. So then it makes it very easy for people, not just going to and reading books and learning stuff just normal way when going to classrooms, but then there are so many other things that makes a complete job. You can't just read book and go into your computer and learn some skills and then you think you can do these jobs, which is not true. A lot of people, a lot of universities, they're missing this area right now, and this is why I'm covering this, and this is why the response is so great. I mean, I can't believe I have 3,000 students, because the course is just real. It's when you how to get started in this field, what are you expecting, what kind of people you're dealing with, what is your day-to-day job, and the trends. It's just that. So I thank you to all these people who are supporting me here, and that's why the main goal is here too. Once we start this course, we're going to make it more better, and the certificate will be also available. So it's not just taking a course and then you get nothing out of it. First, you definitely learn a lot of stuff from it. When you go to the course, you will get a certificate to it, and you have tests, you have any other things. Certification is great. Now I'm going to give you an example here. For example, you go to Indeed.com and you're trying to search for a job. After let's say you're a student who enrolled for this course and you're done with everything, then is it going to help you? So if you type help, I live in Maryland, so if you type help desk, you see so many help desk jobs are available, right? 5 days ago this has been posted. So if I click on it, let's say, what is it asked here? The candidate must have a strong sense of customer service. This is covered by our course. Associate degree or equivalent, that's up to you. The candidate must exhibit good in listening, problem skills, blah blah blah. Covered. All these I can go to any Indeed job right now, help desk, and my skill sharing course, because it's a specialist course, basic to specialist, it is going to cover that area. So let's say, for example, you're a new student and you covered all this, and you went through all this course and everything, and now you have a resume without anything in there. Let's say you just put, you went to some school, you did IT in there, and you put the resume out, and there's another person who has the same amount of information, but then he got this jobskillshare.com course completion certificate on his resume. Do you think the manager, HR manager, will take your resume or that person resume with certificate? I am pretty sure that they're going to take a person resume with the certificate, because the thing on the certificate, when they see that these things are covered, it's going to boost it up, it's going to make it look better, and this is the reason you guys should take this course, and it's free, so it won't hurt. So go ahead, register, join these 3,000 people who are already in this course, and start learning IT, and let me know what I can change or where can I help you start. If you're stuck somewhere, send me a message on helpdesk@jobskillshare.com and I will try to answer. Thank you for watching this video. I know it was just talking, but I'll be glad if I hear something from people that I helped them out with, at least starting something.